What is your name?
My name is Zara.
Where are you from?
I'm from London.
How old are you?
I'm 21 years old.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on February 5th.
Where were you born?
I was born in Dhaka.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
What is your phone number?
My phone number is 888-999-222.
What is your email address?
It's ramim@gmail.com.
How often do you check your email?
I check my emails several times a day.
How tall are you?
I'm 5.2 feet tall.
Do you know who I am?
I have no idea.
What do you do for a living?
I am a teacher.
Are you married?
Yes, I'm married.
How many children do you have?
I have 3 children.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
Who do you live with?
I live with my husband and children.
What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 7:30 a.m.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are reading books and playing guitar.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak only one language, English.
Where is your husband?
He is in the living room.
What is he doing?
He is watching television.
Where's your brother?
He is in his bedroom.
What is he doing?
He is sleeping.
How old is your brother?
My brother is 26 years old.
What is wrong with him?
He is sick.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
Where is it?
It is in the garage.
What are you cooking?
I'm cooking pasta.
Is there anything I can do to help?
Everything will be okay, thanks.
What did you do yesterday?
I went to the park.
How often do you visit your grandparents?
I visit them once a month.
How often do you go to the gym?
I go to the gym 3 times a week.
How far is the supermarket from here?
The supermarket is 2 kilometers away.
How many times have you been to London?
I have been to London twice.
Where can I find the restroom?
The restroom is on the right.
When did you buy your house?
I bought it last year.
Are you new here?
Not at all, I have lived here since childhood.
How long have you lived in this city?
I have lived in this city for 5 years.
Do you prefer city life or country life?
I prefer city life.
How far is the airport from your house?
The airport is 20 miles away.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus.
Do you know Alex?
Yes, we have been friends since childhood.
Is there a bank near here?
Yes, there is a bank nearby.
Why do you want to learn English?
I want to travel and communicate with people.